In this video, I'll show you how to clear Apple Pay transaction history. Let's get started. By the way, if you run a business, Apple Pay probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay, then tap on it. Here you'll see all the settings related to your Apple Pay cards and Apple Cash. It's important to understand that Apple does not provide a direct option to delete individual transactions from your Apple Pay history. There isn't a button that lets you manually remove specific payments one by one. However, there is a workaround you can use to clear the transaction history from being visible on your device. Inside Wallet and Apple Pay, tap on Apple Cash. Then toggle Apple Cash off. Once you disable it, the transaction history connected to Apple Cash will no longer show up on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this does not permanently erase the records from Apple's servers. Your balance and activity are still securely stored, but they won't be visible in the same way on your device. If you want to take it a step further and completely refresh how your wallet appears on your iPhone, you can sign out of your Apple ID. To do this, go back to the main settings screen and tap on your name at the top. Scroll all the way down and select Sign Out. Follow the prompts to confirm. After signing back into your Apple ID, your wallet will appear refreshed, and previous transactions will no longer be visible on your device. That's how to clear Apple Pay transaction history. Apple Pay is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Apple Pay offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.